ultimate coyote rifle. Okay, so like a lot of people have different opinions about what an ultimate coyote rifle would be, and for me, I guess shooting out in the prairies like this, you gotta have something that shoot long range for sure, accuracy, and quick follow-up shots, something camouflaged, and yeah, I'll show you what my ultimate coyote rifle project is. Alright, this is what my ultimate coyote rifle would be right here. This is just the beginning, so like bear with me on this. Like AR-10 243. This is a APF 243 target version. This is Alex Pro Firearms. I have to say they did pretty good on building this rifle. They got a target version is 24-inch fluted barrel, heavy contour. This is a 1 in 8 twist. I got it 1 in 8 twist, or I got the target version to shoot heavier bullets, because when you're out hunting coyotes in this, like where I hunt, prairie, you gotta shoot long range. These guys got like, they got the Magpul PRS Gen 3 stock on it. That thing's nice. The Ergo grip CM3 3.5 pound flat blade trigger. Comes with a 20 round mag. Nice handguard. Got it threaded too for a suppressor I got on the way. And they got these M-lock deals. This one was under here for a bipod, but I took it out, put it up there because I'm probably going to be using like a trigger stick or whatever. And I put it there because I'm going to, down the road, I will get a holographic sight. And it's going to be like for close shots. And yeah, I got this Nikon M Tactical. This is new for 2018. It's a 3-12 by 42, the MOA version. It's a pretty nice scope. You know, I already got this barrel broken in. I'm using some 108 grain ELD-M bullets, and you can see I got it in flat dark earth. These guys, I emailed him and he hooked it up for like $125 extra to get it Cerakoted. The barrel itself was left stainless, so I painted that myself with alumahide too, in flat dark earth. It's a little bit lighter, but I ain't complaining, you know, as long as it's not shiny and silver. One thing about it though is they send it with a regular gas block and a regular 308 bolt, and these 243s actually need adjustable gas block and a high pressure bolt. So if you're ever in a market for like a 243 in an AR platform, you got to make sure you got to get that. These guys are good about it though. They sent me one of those, adjustable gas block and a bolt, so yeah. We're actually gonna go take this out shooting, and I'll try to get some video of that too, so yeah. So today we're gonna go shoot this gun, the APF 243 target version. It's a summer day, hot. It's pretty muggy. We've been getting a lot of rain. Just shot a target at 1160 yards with the 243. See if we can do it again on video.
Holy shit! Good shot! Heck yeah!
Broke that rock.
You smashed my target! That's awesome.
That is.
Yeah, you better try that. Short range out at Hardee's this year.
I think I will. I wouldn't mind trying it just for fun.
You ain't got nothing to lose.
Woo! Warm one today. They got up to like 92. Humidity was like 61% or something like that, and then yeah, the wind was behind us, kind of quartering right to left, between 15 and 20, gusting 21, I guess. And he had one portable target, I guess, so we ended up setting that at like 270 just to see if we're on for the short ranges. This guy's long range shooter, so yeah, I guess that's the short ranging. And to be honest, yeah, I'm comfortable at that 270 easy. And even with my 250, you know. But we went from 270 to 1160. Yep. 1160. 1160 yards. And I'm not sure what my muzzle velocity is, and he forgot to bring his chronographs this time, so I guess we kind of guesstimated. I put in a ballistic calculator, it was 3,000 feet per second, so I used that, and like my first shot, I plugged it in 1,200 yards. I plugged it in, which was, I think it was like 35, right around 35 minutes of angle. And so after that shot, my windage was right, which was 6.5 minutes. But my elevation was off like a minute and a quarter. So I adjusted that. The next shot I hit. I guess what we're shooting at was a rock. And you can see that last shot there. After I hit that shot, I dialed it back down to 0 and shot at 100, and it was right back on. So like this Nikon M Tactical, the tracking on it is good. I'm gonna have to say it's good, really good. Because after I even re-zeroed it, I wanted to get it on camera, my long shot, so I dialed back out again for the 1160. Took another shot, blew up the rock. Oh man, like this gun and setup and everything, it has impressed me. I have to say that. I've never shot that far before. And so, I guess, like even after that long shot, I re-zeroed back down to 0, 100 yards, dead on again, right in the middle, dead center. So like, I think just the only thing right now I wish I had was the suppressor. But this is just the beginning for this ultimate coyote rifle. I know it can shoot. I guess we've proved that today. Now it's just like figuring out all the ranges in between And then holographic sight, I want to get one of those for the close range shots. I'm thinking about a bipod, but I'm not sure yet. I might just stick with you know, a hand bipod or whatever you call it, the trigger stick or whatever. And 1160 though, I know I could take something down with that. Those 108 grains, man. Those shit. Did you see that rock? Blew up his rock. But yeah, it was fun. I love shooting long range. APF target 243. Those guys at Alex Pro, you know, they fix up a good gun. Yeah, like I said before, they, you know, adjustable gas block and the high pressure bolt, you know, they get you straightened out. They'll figure it out and stuff. And I recommend this gun. All right.